Once upon a time in a small town there lived a young man named Daniel. Daniel was kind, curious, and full of dreams. He wanted to travel the world, meet people from different countries, and work for an international company. But there was one thing that always held him back. He couldn't speak English confidently. Every time Daniel tried to speak, his tongue froze. His mind went blank. He knew the words, but they just didn't come out. He would smile politely, nod, and say, "Sorry, my English is not good." And every time he said those words, a small part of him gave up a little more. Daniel had books on his shelf. English grammar, vocabulary lists, pronunciation guides. He even bought an online course once. But every time he wanted to study, he told himself, "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow became next week. Next week became next month. And before he knew it, a whole year had passed. His books were still clean and shiny, untouched. Then, one night, something unexpected happened. He was scrolling on his phone when he saw a short video titled, "Don't Waste Your Time." He almost skipped it, but something made him click. The speaker said, "Every morning, life gives you 86,400 seconds. If someone stole just 10 of them, would you throw the rest away? Of course not. So why do you waste your precious time doing nothing for your dreams?" Those words hit Daniel deep in his heart. He sat in silence, realizing how much time he had thrown away waiting for the perfect moment. He whispered to himself, "I keep saying I don't have time, but maybe I do. Maybe I just don't use it well." That night, he made a small promise. He would practice English every single day, even if just for 10 minutes. The next morning, Daniel started small. He talked to himself in English while making breakfast. He said softly, "I'm boiling water. I'm cutting bread. I'm making coffee." It sounded funny, but he didn't care. He was speaking. Later that day, on his way to work, he listened to an English podcast. He couldn't understand everything, but he caught a few words, and that made him proud. That tiny progress felt like gold. Weeks passed. Daniel didn't skip a single day. He began to enjoy it. He watched English movies, repeated the dialogues aloud, and kept a small English journal. But then, one evening, his friend invited him to a birthday party. Among the guests was a tourist from Canada named Liam. Liam smiled and said, "Hey, man, how's it going?" Daniel froze. His heart raced. His mind screamed, "Say something!" And then, almost without thinking, he replied, "I'm good. How about you?" Liam smiled, and the two began chatting. It wasn't perfect. Daniel made mistakes, forgot words, and used his hands to explain things. But he was talking. For the first time, he was living his dream, speaking English with confidence, not fear. When he got home that night, Daniel looked in the mirror and said, "I did it." Months turned into years. Daniel continued his routine. One day he got a job interview at an international company. He was nervous, but he remembered the words from that video. "Don't waste your time." He smiled, spoke clearly, and gave his best. A week later, he got the job. Now Daniel speaks English every day at work. He travels, makes friends around the world, and helps others who are just beginning their journey. And when people ask him, "How did you become so fluent?" he always says the same thing. "I stopped wasting time. I started using it." My lovely learners, Daniel's story teaches us something truly powerful. You don't need perfect conditions to begin. You just need the courage to start. So many people keep waiting for the right time. But let me tell you something. The right time never comes. You create it. Every day I hear learners say, "I'm busy. I'll start next week," or "I'm not ready yet." But my dear friends, time never waits. It keeps moving quietly, whether we act or not. Every hour you hesitate, every day you delay, is one more moment that could have brought you closer to your dream. You don't need to study for hours or read hundreds of pages. You just need consistency. A few minutes every single day. Speak English to yourself while you walk. Listen to English while cooking or cleaning. Watch short, simple videos in English before bed. Let English become part of your daily rhythm, not a burden, but a companion. And yes, you can even learn while you sleep. Play English stories, podcasts, or motivational talks softly as you rest. Your brain is a beautiful machine. It continues absorbing sounds, patterns, and rhythm even when you're dreaming. Every small moment you spend with English is a tiny seed you're planting in your mind. At first, you won't see the growth. But one day, without even realizing it, you'll start speaking smoothly, thinking clearly, and understanding naturally. You'll pause and say to yourself, "Wow, I'm really doing it." Just like Daniel, you'll look back and realize that the fear you once had is gone. You'll no longer be afraid to speak, because English will no longer feel foreign. It will feel like a part of you. And that's when you'll truly be free. So today, I want you to make a promise to yourself. Not to me, but to your future self. Say it out loud. I will not waste my time anymore. I will use it to grow, to learn, and to speak. Start today. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for perfection. Start now, because your future self is waiting, smiling, and saying, "Thank you for not wasting time."